doing?
Good, buddy. How you doing? Nucks all around.
Did you drop a GoPro?
I do.
No, did you drop it? I'm just kidding.
Oh, God. I was like, dude, don't do that to me. All right, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome back to another ski day here at Copper Mountain. Me and the lady came back up to Copper Mountain after Colorado's official first big snowstorm of the year. We haven't had a lot of powder here in Colorado lately, so I've finally seen the mountain full of snow. As I just got everyone coming out here today. The parking lot was packed this morning, but it was well worth the trip. But I've already been sitting here for way too long. Let's get going. So we just did a couple runs off the accelerator lift just for a couple warm-up laps. There's a lot of people here today, and for good reason. There's a lot of really good snow, and we haven't seen any in a long time, but just crazy crowds here today. We're gonna head back down to American Flyer, go to Center Village and hit some runs from there. But it's finally great to see some snow on the mountain. Let's keep having a day. Good, buddy. How you doing? Nucks all around.
Did you drop a GoPro?
I do.
No, did you drop it? I'm just kidding.
Oh, God. I was like, dude, don't do that to me. So the lady and I just got off of the American Flyer lift, and she just noticed that the Sierra lift is running, which is arguably one of our favorite lifts to some great access trails up here at Copper. There's a lot of wide variety of terrain that comes off of this lift. We're gonna do a couple turns up here and just keep enjoying this day. The snow keeps falling. We're kind of like in this giant cloud right now, but it's so good to be back out here. Made it back up to Camptail, which is our favorite coffee shop up here on the mountain. So we're gonna sit up here, have a couple drinks, have some dessert, it's been a really fun day, and I'm glad to see the mountain got some snow finally. There's been a bunch of people up here today, and for good reason. The snow has been really good. I just hope it keeps on coming, and I hope this season may be late, but I hope it's a season that has a lot of snow to come. Also, just a heads up, if you're up at Camp Hale or anywhere around the mountain in shops like buying food or beverages, use your Icon Pass if you have it, and you'll get 10% off. If you have the Icon Plus Pass, you'll get 15% off. I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching. Hope to see you, Oots and ABOOT. See you next time.